Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this hot stones massage kit. This is such a neat idea because for hot stones, normally you have to have them in water. This doesn't require any water. It's like the size of an iPad Pro. It's not a big case at all, but this holds 18 different stones and it's just plugged in through power. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes to heat these things up. But to use them, all you've got to do is put them in this nice case, and this warms up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, which will get your stones nice and warm. And then you want to let them cool for just a little bit before you put them on somebody. But they're nice and flat. There are 4 different sizes. So I'm going to bring you in here so you can take a look at them and we'll put them to use. So here's a closer look of the case. It is a 12.39 by 8.8 by 2.3 high. It's got these little locking mechanisms here with a nice carrying handle. And then your outlet just is right here in the back, and it's just a normal 110 outlet. And then when you open it up, it has this nice velvet inside, and you can actually see these little heating elements in here. And like I said, it takes about 20 to 30 minutes to heat up the rocks, but you have 4 different sizes. Here's your oval. It's a nice rounded smooth surface. You've got a triangle, and you have a small, and then you have your circle. So you can lay these on different places in your body and just make sure that they're not all the way at the 158 degrees. You can put a nice warm towel underneath of them if you wanted to. These would be a great gift or just use in your spa or at home.